This 2023 Forest River Cedar Creek 375 BHO is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 43 feet 1 inch in length and features sleeps 9, water heater, smoke detector, air conditioning, oven, leveling jacks, microwave, TV, refrigerator, slide-out, LP detector, and 57 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunk beds. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Forest River Cedar Creek 375 BHO is 2,200 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.